Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn the months of the year in Spanish. Are you ready? Let's go! January is
Enero. Enero.
the first month of the year. It's cold and sometimes it snows. Can you say
Enero. Enero.
great job? February is
Febrero.
In
Febrero.
we celebrate love and friendship. Can you say
Febrero. Febrero.
muy bien? March
Marzo. Marzo.
is when spring begins. Flowers start to bloom and the weather gets warmer. Can you say
Marzo. Marzo.
nicely done? April is
Abril. Abril.
brings rain showers and lots of puddles to jump in. Can you say
Abril. Abril.
awesome? May is
Mayo.
In
Mayo.
we see more flowers and bright sunny days. Can you say Mayo? Mayo! You're doing great! June is Junio. Junio means summer is here. It's warm and sunny, and we play outside a lot. Can you say Junio? Junio, well done! July is Julio. In Julio, we celebrate with fireworks and family fun. It's a great month for ice cream. Can you say Julio? Julio, great job! August is Agosto. Agosto is hot and sunny. It's the perfect time to go to the beach or have a picnic. Can you say Agosto? Agosto, fantastic. September is Septiembre. In Septiembre, many kids go back to school. The air gets cooler and leaves start to change. Can you say Septiembre?
Septiembre.
You're amazing. October is
Octubre. Octubre.
full of costumes, pumpkins, and fun. Can you say Octubre? Octubre, spooky and fun. November is Noviembre. In Noviembre, we feel thankful and spend time with family. Can you say Noviembre?
Noviembre.
Great work. December is
Diciembre. Diciembre.
the last month of the year. It's full of lights, music, and joy. Can you say Diciembre? Diciembre, you did it! Now let's say them all together.
Enero, Febrero, Marzo, Abril, Mayo, Junio, Julio, Agosto, Septiembre, Octubre, Noviembre, Diciembre.
You just learned all the months in Spanish. I'm so proud of you. See you next time. Adios.